Hello, I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another marketing concept for your product or service. Today's topic is 4 strategies to build a list of eager prospects and buyers of your product or service. I am located at terrybjones.com/trafficwave. And let's go ahead on and get started. Okay, the first strategy I'm going to cover with you is the landing page, okay, which is also considered a lead capture page, okay. And what you do with this landing page is it's normally linked to an email campaign or autoresponder, which I've been sharing with you all, Trafficwave, okay, as an autoresponder. The third thing about a landing page is you not only can you link it to your email campaign, you can also link it to a shopping cart or a checkout of your product or service. And the fourth purpose of a landing page is, guess what? To convert your visitors to your website so that you can actually get them as a lead or to make sales from them. Now, this example you see here of this company called Raven, what they're offering on their landing page is a 30-day free trial, okay? And so that's something else that you can offer. So there's so many different things you can actually offer on your landing page. But the first thing is you must have a landing page, and in order to have the email campaign set up, you will need to get an autoresponder, okay? The second strategy is to encourage your visitors to subscribe, to opt in or sign in. You want some type of words of like that. And so what you would use on that landing page, you would say, hey, subscribe to my newsletter. Opt in to download, my free ebook, sign up for my membership site. Okay. So here's some of the things that you can actually offer as an incentive. You can offer an ebook, you can offer a checklist, a mini course, a guide, a video series, a template, some type of coupon or discount. Okay. So that is what is going to incentivize that person to actually give you their name and email address on your landing page, okay? And of course, once you get that email address from them, you should already have set up a series of emails, which is number 3, okay? Where you can help to build know, like, and trust with those subscribers. And eventually you're going to close a sale. Because as you interact with them, with the 12 emails that I have that you can copy and paste and have it to line up with whatever your product or services is, you definitely will end up with a sale, okay? And so I even shared with you all a few weeks ago a welcome email that you can send out to get 50 subscribers in 30 days, okay? And so this is something that you can do once you get your email series set up in your autoresponder. It's very important to get those things set up, all right? The fourth strategy is traffic, okay? Basically, you need to know who your ideal customer is, okay, where they frequent, and the keywords that they're looking for, okay? And so what you would do is have your lead page set up to where the information that they're looking for, you have it on your page. You're going to share a link to that page on social media sites such as, your Facebook, your Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Pinterest, wherever you know that your ideal customer is hanging out, okay? And you're going to have those keywords that they're going to be looking for on Google, on these different actual platforms. And so that's what you'll have in your traffic building concept, okay? And then, of course, if you have events that you go to locally, okay, you actually give out business cards. And on those business cards, you will have a link to your landing page, okay? And so any other type of marketing you do, your email signature on your emails, you should have that as well on your email signature, a link to your landing page, okay? And as you can see throughout this actual presentation, you will see https terrybjones.com/trafficwave. That is a link to my landing page, okay? So you can actually go and get an idea of a simple landing page that you can create, okay? And of course, as you are growing your list with these 4 strategies, okay, and learning how to build an audience, you'll also be able to build an income stream using Trafficwave.net as your autoresponder system, okay? You can become a customer, basically 30 days for a free trial. And then after that, it's only $17.95 a month, okay? And of course, this will actually help you to learn, you know, how to communicate with your customers through email marketing. And you're building your list with your product or service, which will actually end up in sales, okay? And so Trafficwave.net is the name of the autoresponder that I use. You can create unlimited email marketing campaigns for only $17.95 a month. So if you have several different products, you know, you will have a different campaign set up for each one, okay? And then you could broadcast messages for holidays, birthdays, special sales you have, and you're having a pop-up shop, whatever it is, you know, you're having a webinar, you can actually blast out an email, you know, to those who have opted into your list, okay? And so if you're interested in getting started, okay, go to terrybjones.com/trafficwave, okay? Or you can just go right to the bit.ly/TBJ Trafficwave and sign up immediately. Send me an email at tjanntjenterprise@gmail.com and I will help you set up your email campaign. How cool is that? Okay. And if you need a copy of those 12 emails, templates that I have, you can also email me with that. I do charge for that. And so anyway, I'll be glad to help you out with getting these strategies in place. I'm Terry B. Jones, coming to you live with another marketing concept for your product or service. Have a great day.